Hello, grade 4. How are you? I hope you are okay. Today we will continue talking about the area part 5. A rectangle shaped hole whose dimensions are 8 meter and 6 meter. How many tiles are needed to tile this hole? Given that the side length of the required square shaped tiles is 20 centimeters. Please look with me to this figure. This is a hole in shape of rectangle. The length of rectangle is 8 meter. The width of rectangle is 6 meter. The tile used in shape of square. Side length of a square is 20 centimeter. The requirement is how many tiles are needed to tile this hole. To find this requirement, we should do as follows. Find the area of rectangular hole. Find the area of squared tile and then divided the area of hole divided by the area of the tile to obtain how many tiles are needed to tile this hole. Area of rectangular hole equal length is 8, width is 6. So area of rectangular hole equal 8 times 6 equal 48 square meter. Units of area. Please remember with me. Square kilometer, square meter, square decimeter, square centimeter, square millimeter. Please don't forget from the greatest to the smallest we will put zeros. But when we move from the smallest unit to the greatest unit, we will cancel zeros. Okay? 48 square meter, 48 square meter. When we want to convert square meter to square centimeter, we will move from the big unit to the small unit. So we will put zeros. We know 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. So square meter equal, we will double zeros. The 2 zero become 4 zeros. So square meter equal 10,000 square centimeter. So we will put 4 zeros beside 48. The number is 480,000 square centimeter. We convert the units from square meters to square centimeters because the side length of tile is in units of centimeter. So we should convert the area of rectangular hole from square meter to square centimeter. Area of squared tile equal side length is 20 centimeter. We know area of square equal side length times side length. Area of squared tile equal 20 times 20 equal, put all zeros out, 2 zeros out, 2 times 2 equal 4, squared centimeter. Now, number of tiles equal, we will divide the area of rectangular hole divided by the area of square tile to find the number of tiles. 480,000 divided by 400 equal, when we divide, cancel to 0 from the first number and also cancel 2 zeros from the second number. So the equation is 4,800 divided by 4. In division, we will begin with the last digit in the left side. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. 8 divided by 4 equal 2. 0 divided by 4 equal 0. 0 divided by 4 equal 0. So, number of tiles equal 1,200. Complete using a suitable sign, smaller than, greater than, or equal to. The first one, 6 meters, 650 centimeter. We should put the units is the same. So 6 meters equal 600 centimeters. The sign will be smaller than. The next one, 10 decimeter, 1 meter. We know 1 meter equal 10 decimeter. So the sign will be equal to. Half square kilometer, 25,000 square meter. We know half square kilometer equal 500,000 meters. So the sign will be greater than. "81 square decimeter, 6,400 square centimeter. "8,100 square centimeter. So the sign will be greater than. Choose the suitable unit of measurement for each of the following life situations. The first one, measuring the heights of the pupils. Heights means length. Please take care. We will use units of length. Are you remember? Very good. Square centimeter, it's not required because it's used for units of area. Millimeter is a unit to measure the very small object. Take care, millimeter is the units of length. The kilometer is one of units of length, but take care, kilometer is used to measure the distance between cities or governorates. Long distance. So exclude this choice. The suitable answer is centimeter. The second one, calculate area of the walls in a house using, we will exclude meter because meter is not units of area, but meter is unit of length. Square centimeter is used for small objects. Square kilometer is used for long distance. The suitable choice is square meter. The third one, calculate the perimeter of piece of land allocated for building a new city in facing the problem of overpopulation. The parameters means use units of length. So we will exclude a square, kilometer, and also a square centimeter. We will exclude them. Now we compare between meter and kilometer. We know kilometer is unit of length to measure the long distance. Okay, so we will exclude it. The suitable choice is meter. Meter is used to calculate the perimeter of piece of land. The fourth one, calculate the distance between the earth and the moon. Distance means kilometer. Take care. The required is the distance between, not the area of distance between. Please take care. The required is the distance between. So we will choose the suitable choice is kilometer because it's not required the area of distance between the earth and the moon. The area is not given in this statement. So we will choose kilometer. The dimensions of rectangle are 90 centimeter and 40 centimeter. If the area of rectangle equals the area of a square, find the perimeter of a square in decimeter. Find perimeter of a square, we must to find the side length of a square. To have the side length of a square, we should use the given in our story problem. The given rectangle has two dimensions, 90 centimeter, this is length, 40 centimeter, this is width. And given also area of rectangle equal to area of a square. We can find rectangle area equal length times width. Length 90 times width 40. Please and times put zeros out. 9 times 4 equal 36. So the rectangle area will be 3600 square centimeter. Square area equal side length times side length. Given in our problem, rectangle area equal square area. So the square area is 3600 square centimeter. Square area equals 3600 equal. We don't know side length. It's required. So we will put side length times side length. Now try to think how to know what's the two numbers. If we multiply them, the answer will be 3600. But take care. The number here must be is the same as the number here because the side length times itself. We know two zeros means one number has one zero. The next number has the second zero because in times we will put zeros out. Now, what times what equals 36, but with a condition. The two numbers are the same. We know 36 equal 6 times 6. So the side length equal 60 centimeter. Side length in decimeter equal 6 decimeter. Now we will make a summary for rules. First, area rules. Rectangle area equal length times width. If we need to find length using rectangle area, length equal rectangle area divided by width. Width equal rectangle area divided by length. This is triangle is very important for you. The top of triangle is area. The left part is length. The right part is width. We know length times width equal area. If we want to find the length, so area divided by width. If we want the width, area divided by length. Okay? You can write the rule of rectangle area in shortened form like that. We can short area with letter A. area of rectangle equal length times width. Length equal rectangle area divided by width. Width equal rectangle area divided by length. Square area equal side length times side length. Perimeter rules. Please let's review together. Perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width all times 2. To find the width equal perimeter of rectangle divided by 2 and then minus length. To find the length equal perimeter of rectangle divided by 2 and then minus width. We can write the perimeter rules of square in shortened form. Perimeter rectangle equal length plus width all times 2. Length equal perimeter divided by 2 minus width. Width equal perimeter divided by 2 minus length. Perimeter of square equal side length times 4. Side length equal perimeter square divided by 4. Have a nice time. Goodbye.